Back to work again, back to make the project. I see a sketch in the future about the building train in the sky. I think it's too much dangerous. I know I don't know, but I don't know about the exactly the prediction about the future. Maybe we go into the new world, and then we building train in the sky. I think it's too much dangerous. The dangerous the risk project is a dangerous because if I see kids in the future, they not count the rich. It's most extreme and dangerous. I haven't seen, but I don't know about the maybe the engineering about the building train in the sky have been count. I just given a comment to building train in the sky. Oh, so much dangerous and risk.